926 at KS95. Good morning. It's Crisco, Des, and Ryan. I didn't ever think I was going to be in radio. This happened by accident, really. As a kid, I wrote letters to Steve Jobs because I wanted to work for Apple. And then when I found out that there was an opportunity to work at a radio station, I'm like, well, this is something I could try. This is my first morning show I've ever hosted. I've never done mornings before. And I've done it for 11 years at KS95. That's unheard of. It's the best job you could ever ask for. But I'm seated for 4 or 5 hours, and I wanted to cry because I had bone-on-bone pain. And then I would have to do events like KS95 for Kids and stand for 12, 13 hours. I had a pocket full of Advil just to get through it, and that didn't even cut it. It was really the fear and the unknown around a surgery. That's what kept me from going in and seeing anybody for 7 years. I was terrified. A 30-something getting his hip replaced? Who does that? The breaking point was a trip we took to Grand Cayman. And we went on this week-long vacation where I couldn't walk. And that was the end of it. And I came back and I had a neighbor who had his hip replaced by Twin Cities Orthopedics. So I went in and met his surgeon, and I knew immediately, this is what it means to be cared for. I'll do it. So I get my first hip replaced and I feel like a new man. I can walk, I can swim. And then my surgeon said, you have a congenital condition where eventually you're gonna wear out the cartilage on your left side and you're gonna need that hip replaced too. 3 years later, I did, and here I am. 2 new hips, feeling awesome. The second time around, I got to recover in the care suites through the Excel program, which highly recommend it. It feels like a celebrity experience, you know, like who gets their hip replaced and gets a gorgeous suite? And then my PT guy, I can't say enough good stuff about him because I always say my surgeon gave me this brand new car, but my PT guy taught me how to drive it. And that's what it feels like with this new hip. When you meet these people, you're gonna find out why I'm such a fan. I mean, I wear this all the time and people think I work there. No, I'm just a fan of TCO because they changed my life and they can change yours too. So don't wait, go in, find out what they can do for you. You're gonna feel so much better and then you can thank me.